Hello, Martin Petz here from F24, and I just wanted to take this opportunity to tell you about a new video series we're putting together over the next couple of months entitled COVID-19, Preparing for the Next Wave. For those of you that don't know F24, we are Europe's leading crisis management and communications company. In this video series, we're really going to be talking about the fact that many experts, because it's a long-running crisis, many experts are saying that it's going to manifest itself in a series of waves over the next few months, and we can take the opportunity between these waves to prepare ourselves and make sure our systems and processes are working well, ready for the next spike in COVID-19 infections. So if I go through the list of topics we're going to be covering over the next couple of months, so on the Friday the 24th of April, we're going to be talking about cyber threat awareness and cyber safety. On Thursday the 7th of May, we're going to be talking about exit strategy, or how we get back to a new business as usual, or a new normal. On Thursday the 21st of May, we're going to be talking about the strain that the COVID-19 crisis is putting on our IT infrastructure, amongst other things. On Thursday the 4th of June, we're going to be talking about staff health and mental well-being. On Thursday the 18th of June, we're going to be talking about managing infection within your organization, and how you manage, for example, lockdowns within different countries or different regions, or managing lockdowns and closing branches of within your organization, and keeping control of that situation. So if there's any information you need on any of these subjects now, please let me know. We're obviously preparing for all of this, so we have lots of research and information that we are putting together, so please let me know now. Please also subscribe to this channel so that you get notified when these videos are released. And finally, I'm going to say quick bye for now, but if you want to see how I work from home, you can probably hear the children in the background. They're actually playing on the iPads now, but if you want to have a quick sneak peek of how I work from home, check this out. Hi, Jacinda. Yeah, the whole population.
Every New Zealander.
Yeah, just under 5 million. Yeah, we can get them in the Fact24 database. Okay, bye. I was the Prime Minister.